Alright, here we have a package from a 1999 Lexus RX300. Another one lost key situation. They basically sent us ECU and they send us the passenger side door lock. I usually like the passenger side door lock because people don't use this lock that much, so I can get good cuts from it when I decode it and figure out what's going on. And that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit with two keys cut and programmed to ECU and a key made from scratch to the lock. Come back shortly. Alright, we're back at that RX300. Basically, we got two keys cut. Key 1, key 2. We already put the chips in them. And this is what you want to see. You want to see we make the key from scratch. Both sides. And that's it. Need our help? You're located in Georgia or you're outside of Georgia, just give us a call. We'll tell you what we're going to need. In most cases, we're going to need the passenger side door lock and the ECU so we can make the keys from scratch. That's about it. We've been doing this for quite some years now. And we also have the CAL, which is Certified Automotive Locksmith Certification. So that's it. Or go to the website if you need more information. www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.